Okay, here we are on data processing. On the main screen there, the middle left button, data processing. And we want to go in and pull into the DAT file river reference and side streams. And it's really important to get the names correct. And we're going to select the file. I'm looking at this one, which I know is a good file. And immediately, it's offering you the name. Now these files already exist, and you can see here River X, River 1, Castle Drain, River 2, A361 Side Drain, River 3. If you had imported raw and there was no names in there, it would be blank, but it would offer you the fact that it's found in the DAT file 3 watercourses. So we can put the names in exactly like that. We click OK. And we don't want to change the short river names and overwrite them, but it should come up in a minute. Yeah, this is what normally happens. Is this will pop up and offer you, these are the 4-character short river names. They're shortened to Riv, Cast, and A361. Just, you can change it to whatever, but keep them only on 4-character names. We'll shut that down. Now, this is where it gets really, really interesting and important. You've got 3 rivers here. So now we can tell the software how these link together. So we know the River X is the main river from our overall plan. And the Castle Drain and the A361 side drain both come into the River X on the left bank. It says, please take the main watercourses which have side streams. So that's that one there. And then it says, we're asked to say, how does it intersect? I'm going to go click on the Castle Drain. It's on the left. A361 side drain. It's also on the left. And that will then save the data to a watercourses and intersection CSV file. And that can then be sorted out when you're looking at the plot river layout. It creates these files, and I'll very quickly show you where they are. Watercourses and intersections, outfalls. Let's just find out where they are. Sorry, it's in Sidestream data. There we are. So in the Sidestream data, it ends up in a file that looks like this. You don't need to worry about that. It's a form that we decided this is how we want to show it. And but the Sidestream data, the watercourses and intersections data is looking slightly different like that. And what it does, it gets computed by the long section, the plot river layout data. We can just very quickly look at that. Here's the plot river layout, and down the bottom is the calculate sidestream data button, which can be done at any time. I'm just going to do that, and there's various things there you can read. Right, it's now been calculated and it's now being displayed. So what happens now is that this file now has extra information in it, and it is this information here, the Sidestream data, is also changed slightly as well. And that data now is used in the long section plotting of the software. So whereby I could very quickly go to river long section, outfalls, plot main section, and I'm going to go to the watercourses.dat, and hopefully in a second this will say, yeah, I've got it, I've calculated it. 2 or more culverts, don't worry about that. And there's not problems. What it says, there is no width in the software for 208, 214 and 307, and it defaults it to 2.0. And so I'm going to open up that very quickly in Bentley View. You've probably got AutoCAD. There's a report file as well, and shortly this long section will come in, and what will have happened is that your intersections will now be showing like this. So here we are. That's a side stream. It says Castle Drain, left bank entry section Castle 0023, the approximate chainage, and it attempts to draw the cross section of the entry of that watercourse on that bottom section on the side drain. And this is really important for the modelers. There was the other one up here, the side drain, right near the A361 overbridge, and again it's shown like that. So that's the importance of getting the watercourses and intersections right when you're doing importing data at this river processing point. Here we are. So thank you for that. For a minute, we'll go on with the survey date and so on in a few minutes.